good, all my trader and investor homies? Welcome to Touchdown Trades. The clean energy sector is absolutely taking off with multiple clean energy stocks making a 100% move in just the last couple of weeks. So in today's video, we're going to be breaking down a clean energy penny stock that I think has the potential to do the same. So we're having a change in the government with a new administration coming in to not only the House, but the Senate as well, that is going to be more likely to give clean energy companies tax breaks, subsidies, and enforce regulations on carbon emissions. This has sent the clean energy sector to the moon. Solar, wind, EV, fuel cell technology, all of these companies are blasting off. But the penny stock we're going to be looking at today, they have multiple revenue streams in a bunch of different branches of the clean energy space, and in my opinion, they're undervalued and have the potential to see massive growth. If you're new to this channel, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Everybody go down there and hit that like button for me. We talk about the hottest stocks in the market every single day, so hit that subscribe button if you're not yet a subscriber. All right, guys, let's break down one of my top penny stocks to buy right now. I'm loading up on it. I'm loading the ship. Let's get it. Before we get started, check out the link in the description for Webull. My preferred broker is offering the Touchdown Trades community 4 free stocks when you sign up with the link in the description and only deposit $100 or more. That is free money. Don't miss out. Also, check out the 2-week free trial to the private Discord chat and alerts where you get my buy and sell orders in real time. I want to show you guys something real quick. I got the Discord chat pulled up right here, and I want to show you guys how hard we've been absolutely killing it over the last couple of weeks. So let me find some recent trades, the recent trades we've been doing. All right, so here, Blink charging on December 2nd, Blink charging, we bought at $25.40, December 2nd. We bought Blink charging. December 2nd is right here. Right here, December 2nd, we bought Blink charging. Look at that dip buy. Boom, 20 bucks. Actually, I think we bought at 25, doesn't matter. Right there we bought, and then boom, to the moon, baby. Blink charging to the moon. What else do we got up here? We got CLSK on December 15th at $15. December 15th. Right here, we bought CLSK $15 in that consolidation area, and then it ran up over almost 300% since our initial entry. What else do we got in the Discord chat? We have Blink charging taking profit. We have XPEV, another winner right there. Already hit our price target. We have Neo puts. We made $1,000 in 10 minutes. We also have NetE. We're still in that trade. MVIS, we're still in that trade. So it's looking good in the Touchdown Trades private chat. We've been absolutely crushing it. SBE, where's SBE? We also bought SBE before the huge move. We bought SBE in this area, like down here in the $30 area. It's at 45 right now. So we're crushing it in the private Discord chat. You can get a 2-week free trial, link it in the description. The clean energy penny stock we're breaking down in today's video is ticker symbol POLA, POLA Power Inc. This is a company that has multiple revenue streams. They are in multiple branches of the clean energy sector, EV charging, solar. It is a company that I think is about to take off with the sector strength. Now, this is a swing trade. I'm going to be in this trade. I'll talk about my investing plan in just a second, but this is a swing trade for me. Let's take a look at the company, and I'll talk about why I really like it for a swing trade. First, we need to talk about the sector. Look at Plug Power. Clean energy stock runs up from $20 a share all the way up to $75 a share. Look at Blink charging. We just talked about it, that we caught a nice trade on it. Blink charging from like 12 bucks over the last month to 50 bucks. So the clean energy sector is on fire. That brings us to Plug Power, or not Plug, that brings us to POLA Power, and I think it's going to run with the sector. I think it has 100% move in the tank. They have different revenue sources which we have to like. How about telecommunications? So they offer the telecommunications companies small DC generators to back up the power for big telecommunications towers. Also, we have hybrid energy. They make hybrid power systems. So a lot of people are skeptical about just straight solar right now because if there's a lack of sun, it's raining, the weather's bad, you're not going to get enough energy to run whatever you're trying to run. POLA Power makes a hybrid generator using solar and fossil fuel. So I think that is a good bridge. Eventually, we're going to be total carbon emission free, no fossil fuels, all renewable energy. But right now we need a bridge, and I think this POLA Power generator is just that, right? So on the other side, you have no carbon emissions. Right now, with the check mark side is where we're at today. We have to get across that bridge to get to zero carbon emissions, all renewable energy. We're just not there yet because solar isn't there yet. The backup power that POLA Power generators provide can get us to walk across that bridge to total zero emissions. POLA Power also has military applications. POLA Power Inc. has been providing DC generators to the U.S. military since 1989. We have specialized in custom power systems requiring small quantities with fast deliveries. Our customers need the lightest weight, most compact size with the highest reliability to meet their mission goals. And the final revenue stream is going to be rapid EV charging. They have their EV charging systems right here. We know that EV charging is going to be huge. It's going to be a huge source of reoccurring revenue, and POLA Power is getting in the game. The DC power systems, one of their revenue sources, the hybrid solar energy systems, efficiently combining fuel with solar for reliable and low-cost power. This is going to be the biggest revenue producer for them, in my opinion, in the coming years. We just talked about that bridge. We got to get to total renewable energy use. But we're not there yet because solar is not there yet. But this hybrid solution is going to be huge in my opinion. We also have the prime power systems, low maintenance for harsh environments, temporary power and rental. Also big revenue right here. This big solar panel charge, if you're at a concert in the middle of somewhere, concerts, you have those big, you've seen them at concerts or in parking lots, these big towers with solar panels on them. They can run lights, run emergency lights, run intercoms, that type of thing. And then we have the backup DC generators, small footprint, quiet light, and 72-hour reserve available in all fuel. All right, so here's the telecom aspect of the business model. And they're just trying to sell these generators to these telecom markets, to these towers for backup power. And if they can save these telecom companies money on their fuel cost, and have that solar reliability paired with the fuel, then I think we're talking big business. Here we have telecom towers in the US. AT&T has 67,000, just a total massive amount of telecom towers. Verizon 58,000, T-Mobile 60,000, Sprint 50,000. So if POLA Power can only capture a small percentage of those towers, we're talking about a $200 million plus revenue just from that revenue source alone. Here's the POLA Power market opportunity. This is their goal. This is what they're trying to achieve, and this is the customers that they're trying to attack and get that revenue from. So telecom, we have UPS plus prime power. We have data centers and battery systems. Military, we all know if they get a military deal, it's game over. This company's going to the moon. If they get a reoccurring military deal, it's over. UPS, prime power, battery systems, and series hybrid electric drives. Automotive, electric charging, EV charging, and anti-idling restrictions. Industrial, we have the data centers, we have the UPS plus prime power, we have battery systems. Marine and RV, prime power for off-dock and dry camping, battery systems. So these big boats, these yachts, they need backup power. Remote and distributed power, prime power. And oil field and mining, we also have the prime power. So they are in several areas, not just one revenue stream coming into POLA Power. We have multiple revenue streams coming into this company. And we already have some absolutely massive customers. On the telecom front, we have AT&T, Verizon, Motorola, Sprint, T-Mobile. How about the military? Some huge military customers. Boeing is a customer. Raytheon. The Department of freaking Defense is buying these generators from POLA Power. Huge. And some automotive companies, Fiat Chrysler, Volkswagen, Ford, Mazda, and Bosch. So the customer base, we already have some legit customers. They can build that relationship and increase the revenue just based on the customers they have. This could be a $500 million company. And that's very speculative, right, for me to say that. But look at these customers, right? Endless money. AT&T, endless money. Verizon, endless money. Boeing, endless money. Raytheon, endless money. Ford. You're talking big money. We're also seeing pretty substantial revenue growth from POLA Power. Q2 2017, we had less than 2 million, a little bit more than 2 million in revenue. And that number just runs straight up. The exponential growth that we're seeing is great. In 2019, we're hitting $9 million in revenue. And I expect those numbers to just climb, and I expect the profit numbers to go up as well as they get subsidiaries, as they get tax credit from this new administration. And as regulations are put into place on the amount of carbon emissions that you're allowed to output, I think these telecom companies may be backed into a corner and have to start using a product like the POLA Power hybrid generator for their towers. And there's no evidence of that, but we're seeing these states like California and New York already put in carbon emission regulations, and I expect more to come in the near future. All right, let's talk about my investing plan for this POLA Power, where I want to buy, my price targets, and my stop loss. So to be honest, where I would really like to buy is down here at this support area at the 665 area. But I don't think I'm going to get that opportunity. I'm scared this thing's going to run without me. I don't think this is chasing if I buy up here, because it is pulled back off the highs by about 15%. And we do have a little bit of support right there where we're trading in front of right now, about 815, 810 area. So I'm going to buy today. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy some right now in my small Webull account, the $1 Million Challenge account. I'm going to go ahead and buy 1,100 shares of this POLA Power at a price of, what are we trading at right now? The bid is at 805. So I'll put a limit order out at 807 for 1,100 shares. Oh, the bid jumped up. So I'm just going to buy at 814. We'll put that out. Limit price at 814, 1,100 shares. Let's buy. See if we get filled on the bid. About $9,000 worth. Submit successfully. All right, we got that order out there. Hopefully we get filled here shortly. All right, let's talk about the plan and then we'll wrap this up. So we're going to look to get in around 815, and then my price target's going to be, first price target, $11 per share. Second price target, $12 per share. Then my stop loss is going to be down here under this support area at about 640, and I'm looking for the move back towards all-time highs, or not all-time highs, but the most recent highs up here. I hope you guys got something from the video. If you did, do me a favor and hit the like button. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.